Hi, Letitia Pfeiffer of Styled and Organized here today to clean out my own personal garage that I kind of inherited when I got married 135 days ago. So our goal is to eventually get my car to live inside the garage. That would be wonderful. But today we have a lot of work to do to get to that point. So I want to kind of take you step by step on the process of cleaning out a garage. And if you don't think this one I'm about to show you is not an overwhelming, daunting task, just wait till I turn the camera around. But the positive is we're on quarantine, so this is a very productive thing that we can do to fill our time. And there's not a cloud in the sky. It finally stopped raining. There's no humidity. It feels amazing outside, and it's really good and nice to be out here. So get ready for the reveal. Here we go. And here is our two-car garage. Now, we live in a home from the 1950s. So if you're in a newer home, this is going to be a lot different than what you have. Also, I am married to a guy who likes to do it himself, and he can, which is awesome. But we've got a lot of duplicates in here. He hasn't ever had to worry about, sharing the space with anybody else. This has always been his. So now we're going to make accommodations for having two people in the garage and still having the household things that we need. By the way, he's a huge golfer, so needless to say, lots of golf clubs. He likes to do all his own painting, car repair as much as possible. And so, oops, there's a cable there. You're going to see a lot of stuff in here. And he hunts. There's a hunting bag up there. Whoops. Back up there. So there's lots of things in here. This is all for his work. On this side with files and storage bins and containers. And I'm not even sure what's back behind the storage bins and containers, but I see books back there, a bike, and all keepsake kind of things that really need to be in a safer spot more indoors. So we've got lots of work to do, power tools, to find a home for everything and still open up a space for a vehicle, but we're ready to tackle it. So let's get started.